this video. My name is Ethan from Recovapro and I'm making this unboxing video since there has been a lot of question of how does it come in, what comes with it and what things to use for what. So to start off here, I have a charging dock which normally costs £59. I'll unpack and show how to use it in a video later on, and I will also tell you how to get this for free. So let's take our Recovapro out of the box. As you guys see, it's a very nice high quality case which also has a handle to carry it with you anywhere you go. So let's open this up. So first here we have our Recovapro. We have the round head, the bullet head, the flat head, and as last the fork head. Also here we have the charger, some charging ports, and it also comes with multiple charging ports, so you can charge it wherever you live, or for example you take the Recovapro with you on a holiday in a different country. And also some extra rubber bands to put around your heads. Also, what I almost forgot was the power head attachment. This is an extra attachment for the flat head. I will show and use how to use it later on in the video, but first we're gonna take our Recovapro. So the way you turn this on is just simply by flipping the switch to on at the bottom, and it's on. So we have 4 green lights here, 1 red, and these show how charged up it is. As you see, mine is fully charged and it will take 1 hour to charge it up, and you can use it for up to 3 hours, but depends on speed and pressure used. Also, we don't recommend to use it all the way to the red light. Keep it at least in the green light, that's better for the battery. So let's turn it off, and always turn it off if you put a head on. And we're gonna put our round head on. Turn it back on. And we see 5 blue lights here. These showcase the speed. So speed level 1, press once, press twice for level 2. This is the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th speed. And if you want to turn it off, just simply hold your finger on the button for 2 seconds and it turns off. So let's grab our Recovapro now and use it. So you can use it in multiple ways. Let's say we want a deep tissue massage after a long run. What I would do is use the round or flat head. In this case I'm gonna use the round head to show it to you guys. So make sure it's on. Press once for level 1 and see if it's fast enough. So in this case I always start with level 1 and I'll go when I feel like it. And as you see, it's really massaging the muscles. So for this part of the leg I always prefer to keep it in level 1 because yeah, maybe level 2 but not higher. I just took the flat head with the power head attachment, and for me what I also like after, for example, a long run, I like to massage underneath my feet because sometimes they hurt and I would like to get them massaged. So of course that came with the Recovapro, and This feels great with a higher speed, for example. So this normally I would start off with 3. Most of the times I'll also go up to speed level 4. So last but not least, the charging dock. Let's pack that out and plug it in. The box may seem a bit damaged, but that's because I'm already using this for a while. Also, like I said earlier in the video, you can get this free of charge right now. What you have to do is simply just when you are ordering your Recovapro, put the charging dock in the cart, and it will be free of charge. So here we have our charging dock. And how to use this is grab the charger, grab the charging port you have to use, push this little thing down, find the right spot to put this in here, and then turn to the right and it's ready to go. So we're gonna put in the charger, plug in our charging part, grab our Recovapro, put this on, and it's charging. So yeah, this was a quick little unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe on our YouTube channel if you liked the video and would like to support us. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments and we will answer that in the next video.